Have you ever found yourself desperately praying for something, wondering when Allah will answer your dua? Perhaps there is a dream in your heart, a problem you need solved, or a blessing you have been seeking for a long time. Many people become discouraged when they do not see immediate results, but the reality is that Allah hears every prayer, sees every tear, and knows every desire hidden within the heart. The key is to never lose faith, never stop asking, and never stop remembering Him. Many people spend their days searching for solutions in every direction while forgetting the greatest source of help and peace, the remembrance of Allah. When you make the conscious decision to repeat a blessed dhikr 55 times daily, you are not merely repeating words, you are strengthening a spiritual connection with the Creator of the heavens and the earth. Every repetition carries meaning, sincerity, and hope. It reminds you that Allah is always near, always listening, and fully aware of every challenge you are facing. The human heart was created to find comfort in remembering Allah. No amount of wealth, success, popularity, or worldly achievement can provide the same tranquility that comes from sincere remembrance. Many people feel overwhelmed by stress, anxiety, and uncertainty because their hearts have become distracted by the temporary nature of this world. Dhikr brings the heart back to its true purpose and fills it with calmness. When a believer repeats words of remembrance daily, they begin to notice a positive change in their mindset, attitude, and outlook on life. Every time you remember Allah, you are performing an act that is beloved to Him. The more frequently you engage in remembrance, the stronger your awareness of Allah becomes throughout the day. You begin to think before speaking, remain patient during difficulties, and express gratitude for blessings that you may have previously overlooked. This heightened awareness strengthens your relationship with Allah and helps you navigate life's challenges with greater wisdom and confidence. Consistent remembrance also serves as a shield against negative thoughts and hopelessness. There are moments when worries seem endless and problems appear impossible to solve. During such times, dhikr acts as a source of spiritual strength. Instead of allowing fear and doubt to take control, you remind yourself that Allah is greater than every difficulty. You remind yourself that the one who created the universe is fully capable of changing your circumstances in an instant. As you continue this daily practice, your heart becomes more attached to Allah than to worldly outcomes. Stop relying solely on your own abilities and begin placing your trust in His wisdom and mercy. This trust creates inner peace because you understand that Allah is managing your affairs with perfect knowledge. Even when answers do not come immediately, your heart remains hopeful because you know that Allah never ignores the sincere prayers of His servants. The habit of daily remembrance gradually transforms your character, strengthens your faith, increases your gratitude, and opens your heart to receive the countless blessings and mercy that Allah continuously sends upon those who remember Him sincerely. One of the greatest secrets behind accepted du'as is having complete faith in Allah while making them. Many people raise their hands in prayer, but deep inside their hearts they are filled with doubt, fear, and uncertainty. They wonder whether their dua will be accepted or whether their situation will ever change. True faith means believing that Allah is capable of doing anything, no matter how impossible it may appear to human eyes. When you repeat a blessed remembrance 55 times daily, you are training your heart to trust Allah more deeply and rely on Him more completely. Faith is not simply believing that Allah exists, it is believing that His power has no limits. The same Allah who parted the sea for Prophet Musa, who protected Prophet Ibrahim, from the fire, and who granted countless miracles to His prophets, is the same Allah you are calling upon today. Nothing is difficult for Him. The problems that seem enormous to you are small before the power of Allah. When this belief settles firmly in your heart, your du'as become more sincere, more hopeful, and more powerful. Repeating words of remembrance every day helps remove the negative thoughts that often weaken faith. The human mind is constantly influenced by fear, disappointment, and worldly concerns. When prayers appear delayed, Shaitan attempts to convince people that their du'as are not being heard. Daily dhikr fights against these whispers by constantly reminding the believer of Allah's mercy, generosity, and wisdom. It keeps the heart focused on the one who controls every outcome and every possibility. Strong faith also changes the way you approach difficulties. Instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" you begin asking, "What lesson is Allah teaching me?" Instead of seeing obstacles as signs of failure, you view them as opportunities to grow closer to Allah. This shift in perspective strengthens patience and creates a sense of peace even during challenging times. The believer understands that every trial contains wisdom and that every delay has a purpose known only to Allah. When faith increases, gratitude increases as well. You begin noticing blessings that were always present but often overlooked. You thank Allah not only for what He has given you, but also for what He has protected you from. This grateful attitude attracts even more blessings into your life and strengthens your relationship with your Creator. A heart filled with faith becomes a heart filled with hope, and hope is one of the greatest qualities a believer can possess. The more you repeat remembrance and place your trust in Allah, the stronger your certainty becomes that Allah hears every prayer, sees every struggle, knows every secret desire, and responds in the way that is best for His servants. This certainty transforms ordinary du'as into powerful conversations with the Lord of the worlds and fills the believer with confidence that Allah's help can arrive at any moment and from directions they never expected. One of the greatest qualities a believer can develop is patience. In a world where people expect instant results, patience has become rare. Many individuals make dua for a few days or weeks and then become discouraged when they do not see immediate changes. They begin to question whether their prayers are being answered. However, the path of faith teaches us that Allah's timing is always perfect, even when we do not understand it. Repeating a blessed remembrance 55 times daily helps cultivate patience and strengthens the heart during periods of waiting. Every believer faces moments when life does not go according to plan. There are times when opportunities disappear, doors seem closed, and answers seem delayed. During these moments, it is easy to become frustrated or lose hope. Yet these are often the very moments when Allah is testing the sincerity of our faith. Will we continue to trust Him when we cannot see the outcome? Will we continue to remember Him when the answer has not yet arrived? Those who remain steadfast during hardship demonstrate a level of faith that is beloved to Allah. Patience does not mean doing nothing. It means continuing to pray, work, and trust Allah while waiting for His decree. It means believing that every delay carries wisdom, even if that wisdom is hidden from us. Sometimes Allah delays a blessing because He is preparing something better. Sometimes He delays it because He wants us to grow spiritually. Sometimes He delays it because the perfect moment has not yet arrived. What appears to be a delay may actually be a form of mercy. Daily remembrance strengthens the heart against disappointment. Every repetition reminds you that Allah is in control of every situation. Instead of focusing on what has not happened yet, you begin focusing on the one who has the power to make it happen. This shift in focus reduces anxiety and increases trust. The believer learns that peace is not found in knowing the future, but in trusting the one who controls the future. Many of the greatest blessings in life require waiting. A seed does not become a tree overnight. Success does not arrive in a single day. Likewise, some du'as require time before their results become visible. During this waiting period, Allah rewards every moment of patience, every sincere prayer, and every act of remembrance. Nothing is wasted in the sight of Allah. Even when you feel that nothing is changing, Allah may be working behind the scenes in ways you cannot see. The believer who remains patient and continues remembering Allah develops a strength that cannot be shaken by temporary setbacks. They understand that every hardship is temporary, every trial has an end, and every sincere dua reaches Allah. Their trust grows stronger with each passing day because they know that Allah never breaks His promises and never abandons those who place their complete reliance upon Him. The reward for patience is not only the fulfillment of desires, but also a heart filled with peace, certainty, and unwavering faith in the wisdom of Allah. Many people turn to Allah with specific requests, believing they know exactly what is best for their lives. They ask for a particular opportunity, a certain relationship, a financial breakthrough, or a solution to a problem that has been troubling them for a long time. While there is nothing wrong with asking Allah for what you desire, a believer must always remember that Allah's knowledge is perfect, while human knowledge is limited. What appears beneficial today may not be beneficial tomorrow, and what seems like a disappointment may actually be a hidden blessing. Repeating a blessed remembrance 55 times daily helps develop the trust needed to accept Allah's decisions with confidence and peace. Allah sees the past, present, and future all at once. He knows every consequence of every choice and every outcome of every situation. When you make dua, you are asking the one whose wisdom has no limits. Sometimes Allah grants exactly what you ask for because it is truly good for you. Other times He withholds it because there is something better waiting ahead. The believer understands that both outcomes are signs of Allah's mercy. Many people look back on their lives and realize that some of the things they desperately wanted would not have benefited them. There may have been opportunities that seemed perfect, but later would have led to difficulties. There may have been relationships that appeared promising, but would have caused pain. At the time, not receiving those things felt disappointing, but later it became clear that Allah was protecting them. This realization strengthens faith and teaches believers to trust Allah's wisdom even when they do not understand His plans. Daily remembrance reminds the heart that Allah is not only powerful, but also infinitely wise and merciful. Every repetition strengthens the belief that Allah's decisions are based on perfect knowledge. Instead of becoming upset when something does not happen according to your expectations, you begin to trust that Allah is guiding your life toward what is best. This trust removes much of the stress and worry that comes from trying to control every outcome. A sincere dua is never wasted, even when the answer does not come in the form you expected. Allah responds in ways that benefit you. He may grant what you asked for immediately. He may delay it until the right time. He may replace it with something far better than what you imagined. He may remove a hardship from your life because of that dua. He may reserve a greater reward for you in the hereafter. Every prayer has value, and every sincere call upon Allah is heard. The believer who understands this truth gains a powerful sense of peace. They continue making dua with hope, but they also accept Allah's decree with contentment. They know that success is not merely getting everything they want. True success is trusting that whatever Allah chooses is ultimately best. As this trust grows stronger through daily remembrance, fear begins to fade, patience becomes easier, and the heart becomes filled with certainty that Allah's mercy is always working in their favor. No matter what happens, they remain confident that Allah will provide what is best at the perfect time and in the most beneficial way.